Boom. Inspection. Stop. Stop. Tailgate much? Tailgate much? More tailgating? Oh yeah, you're very tailgating. More tailgating. More tailgating. Whoop. What? Hey. What? What the hell? Cut him off. You're a moron. Hello. Deal or play. Nice. What if that was auto-fit? What are you doing? You're extra diving. Good. It's green. Why you stopped? Go. Okay, go that way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Jesus H. Ah! Masshole! Ah. Yeah. There's the red light runners. Oh, Jesus Christ. Anybody want to stop today? Oh, you turned on red. Hold on. Yeah. You went right on red, and you're going right on red too. It's no turn on red. There's the sign over there. And you just blew the red light. I actually can't believe someone got pulled over on Nashua. It's quite unusual. Why'd you cut him off? See? Have we got tailgating going on here? Yes, we do. Yeah. Cut off here? Yeah, I'd say so. Yo! Jesus. Alright, this is gonna be a fun morning, isn't it? Yeah. Cut off. Tailgating, I guess, if he moved out of the way. There's really nobody in the right lane either. It's pointless. Okay, yeah. Hi, how you doing? Hi, you're tailgating. There we go. Yeah. Went back to the left in case the camera didn't pick that up. One car ahead. Golf clap. Did you just... Stop. It's flashing red means stop, just like a stop sign. What the fuck, people? You know? Exit dive. Alright, just gonna fuck up the pike exit. That's what he always does. Just cut off the truck. Hello, and exit dive? Yes, it was. Toyo turd. From the left lane and everything. Good job. Trucks prohibited from left 2 lanes. It says nothing about trailers. Just thought I'd say that. Oh, and there's a truck in the left 2 lanes. What do you know? What a coinkydink. Okay, yeah. There's a cutoff. Cutoff. Toyo turd. Alright, this is one of those stop signs where nobody stops. Let's see what happens. And slow rolled it. And slow rolled it. And slow rolled it. Hey, that was red. Fuck you. It's red. What? Mother idiots. Idiots. Get the fuck out. Yeah. Oh, that was close. What? Dude, there's traffic slowing on here. Just. Yeah. Oh, company tough guy. Let's see who he works for. New Pro Home Solutions. Who wants to call New Pro and let them know? Are you exit diving? All panel systems, yes. Kinetic hunt. Yep. Is this going to be a pass fail or a cutoff? That was a pass fail. And this is a pass fail and a cutoff. Good. Don't cut him off! Thanks, ruined the shot. Don't cut him off! Don't cut him off! Don't cut him off! You just cut him off! And that's cut off. It's now 40 degrees warmer than when I left the house, and I'm not dressed for this. Thank you. The cutoff. Once a Toyo turd, always a Toyo turd. Now you're gonna plant yourself in the left lane, right? So this guy's gonna pass. Okay. Yep. Is that a cutoff? It's exit dive. Toyo turd. Slow down, move over, slow down, move over, slow down, move over, slow down, move over, here come as Volkswagen. While you're slowing down, that's a stadium, you don't have to worry about him. Yeah, go. Cut him off. Are you exit diving? Yes. Volkswagen asshole. Volkswagen asshole. Don't cut him off. Don't cut him off. Don't cut him off. Portsmouth quality flooring. vengeful girlfriend.